here I am. Where you left me, there you find me again. So now we have those 4 up beads, and we are going to work only with them. We started with 8, and if you want to know how many up beads you will have in your work, and sometimes that will be necessary to know for some designs, then you just have to divide the number of the beads what you had in the first 2 rows by 2, and you will get the number of up beads on what you can count in your design. Okay, we have 4 because we had 8 beads. Now pick up 1 bead, and now it's going to be easier. Tangent move, of course. Place your thumb a little bit here down on this piece, little piece like this, and pass with your needle through the first up bead. Take care again, don't hurt yourself. Follow your needle. Pull the thread out. So let go the tension. Look, the tension thread is free. Let go the tension thread, pull. But now it's easier. Now you even see what you're doing. Pick up 1 bead, pass through the next up bead. Pull the thread out. Keep the beads. Okay. Tension move. Pick up 1 bead, pass through the next. Place your thumb over the beads. Pull your needle. Take the needle, let go the tension thread. Sometimes it's just not going, it's going around your point finger, and pull the thread. Tension move. Maybe you will you find your way how to keep the tension. Maybe you find some other way what I don't have conscience about. So this is the last. Pass through the last up bead. Put your thumb over the beads, push the needle, let go the tension thread, and pull out the thread. Click. Here we are. Turn your work. Now we are going towards stopper bead. Again, here is the open place, here is a close, so we are going from here to there. And let's make together another row. Tension move first, of course. 1 bead, pass through the first up bead. Place the thumb over the beads, pull the thread out. Let go the working thread and pull. Tension move. Pick up 1 bead, pass through the next up bead. Place the thumb over, pull the thread out. Tension move. Pick up 1 bead, pass through the next up bead, pull the thread out. So last bead, pick up 1 bead, pass through the last up bead, keep the beads between your fingers. So it's very important for those first few rows that you keep the beads with your thumb. So every time you keep it, because that is going to help you to keep the tension and to have this nice piece and with a good tension. And in the first 2 rows, use the stopper bead to manipulate the tension whenever you want, or when it's necessary. So continue like this. So turn your work like this again, and go up and down, or whatever, how you are working, and make like this maybe 10 rows more. Practice and make a piece like this. And in the next lesson I will explain you how to sew in the tail thread, how to finish. For example, you're running out of the thread, so how to finish with the current thread, and how to start with the new thread. So that's why it is nice to have a little bit bigger piece, so that you have enough beads to pass through, because finishing or putting the new thread is just passing through the beads on a certain way. Okay, so bead and make some few rows more, and then I see you in the next lesson to show you new things.